this is the grand reveal as you walk in to the living room and lounge area. So the first thing to know is you've got lots of controls here. So you've got your master lights, entrance light, privacy light. If the privacy light is on, even if somebody rings the doorbell, it won't come through. You've got service if you want service, and you've got the valet box. So if you want laundry done or you want room service but your privacy is on, they will pop it in here through that door. They can open that door and they never need to come in, which is pretty cool. And then we've got the living area. So there's a nice table, couch. I think you've got a comfy chair there, Kaz.
It's lovely for my back. How would you like my books?
That's like the TV reading wall. There is some nuts and dried fruits and a little cake there and some fruit for us. That's the view from this room, which is Lusail City and the little harbour. And down there is the entrance to the hotel. We'll show you that after the room tour, but coming through that, driving up, was pretty cool. Over here, we've got a desk area, and there are USB and HDMI ports all over the place to plug things in and get things on the TV. We've got more lighting controls, and you have different dimmed lightings and controller blinds from here. And there's these switches all around the room. But look at this, right? Everyone's heard of a mini bar? They call this a Maxi Bar. Get everything there. Tea, waters, coffee, soft drinks in there. That's pretty cool. A couple of days before we got here, we got an email from our butler, because each room does come with a butler. You can press the butler button and a butler will come. And there's also an iPad to control everything, which I'll show you in a second. But a couple of days before we came here, our butler emailed us and said, is there anything you want to set up in the room? Any preferences, any reservations at the restaurants? What do you want in your Maxi Bar? But we don't want anything in the Maxi Bar, like alcohol or anything like that. So it's completely empty. We've also declined room charging when we checked in. So we didn't have to put down a deposit. It's just pay as you go. I'm going to check out the bedroom now. So it's around this area, around this side of the suite. So there's that Maxi Bar. And there's a little corridor through to the bedroom area. But before we go to the bedroom area, there's another cupboard here. And this is the wardrobe area with the lights off. Where's the light switch? The light switch is here. There we go. Look at that. They've already brought our luggage up for us, and there's lots of storage. So we've got torch. What's in here? Okay, to keep things. And there's like a shoehorn and a brush. Lots of shoehorns in this room, I've noticed. What's in this drawer? A yoga mat. How often do you see a yoga mat? And then we've got Raffles slippers. Over here's the dressing table area. You can pop all your jewellery, etc. in there. And he's already popped on the table here. Dyson hairdryer, and then straighteners. Look at the room though. Robes, lots of hangers, lots of storage up there. That's where the hairdryer was. You've got a Quran and a prayer mat if you need that. You've got a safe. More drawers. And then we've got, what have we got down here? Slippers. And shoe stretchers. And that's the dressing room area. We'll come around into the bedroom. Caroline's relaxing over here now.
Bed's comfortable.
Is it? Mm-hmm. It's a big bed.
Fairly decent size.
Reading lights above the bed. Have a good look at the room. It's pretty cool. Big TV. And more cupboard space. We've got light switches here. Temperature control here. There was a temperature control In the living room, you can have different temperatures.
Temperature control on that side as well.
For the bathroom area, each room can have a different temperature. It's pretty cool. Light switches. And then we've got the iPad. You can order any item from any of the restaurants and they'll bring it up for room service. And you can also control all of your lights, your temperatures, your Butler, everything is on there. Wireless charging and sockets are in there. On the other side is a phone. Don't need to use the phone. And then we've got a clock.
Do you have charging in there as well?
And sockets in there to charge as well. No USB-C though. Okay. The bathroom is next. It's a big room, this room.
Sure. You haven't checked out the TV.
We'll check it out in a bit. Look at the room though. Bathroom. Look how big that bath is. You can get your butler, tell them a time, and they will prepare the bath for you, if you so wish. You control it all there. There's the hand wand as well. I do like these. These are scattered around the hotel, like little golden birds. All of your amenities. So what have we got? Earplugs, shower cap and hair tie, cotton pads, cotton tips, shaving kit, nail kit, comb, hairbrush, bath salts. There's all sorts going on here. And then the sinks, it's a double sink. Look how cool these sinks are. Like glass. Wow. With the controls there. Body lotion. And then in this room, it's where the magic happens. You've got a bidet, a bum gun that's hidden in the wall, and a Japanese toilet. Will this open as I approach it? No. Oh, it opens as I walk away. What's this here? Oh, sanitary bag included as well. And there's the controls for the Japanese toilet. If we come back out, the room next door is the shower room, which has a bench seat. You've got all of the toiletries there. And then the shower, and the shower has lots of controls. You can control the water pressure, the temperature, and all of the different dials because you've got this hand wand. You've got the rain shower, and then you've got sprouts on the wall. Sprouts? Spouts on the wall. No one wants a sprout in the bathroom. And then we've got our little balcony. It's just a small one, but if I check it out, a couple of seats and a view out into the sea. So we've got a view, there's the Place Vendôme, which is the mall. Just between there, that's the Lusail Stadium, where the Arab Cup final was just held. And then as you go around, you've got Mirial Water Park, you've got like a little mini theme park thing here. And the view out to the sea. And then as we look right down, we're over the two pools.